Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. Today I am going to take a class 9 English first word. English first word class 9. Dear students, take your book EFT English for today and open at page 106. Have you got? Yes, I am going to take a class Jobs Childhood. Dear students, Jobs Childhood. Previous class I discussed Steve Paul Jobs and his career. Today I am taking Jobs Childhood. Lesson 8. Have you got? At first I am going to read out the passage. Please attention. A car mechanic Paul Jobs and his wife Clara Jobs adopted Steve, who was abandoned at birth. Paul and Clara loved Steve very much. They made him feel that he was chosen and very special. One of his colleagues, Dale Yoakum, said about Steve, I think his desire for complete control of whatever he makes derives directly from his personality and from the fact that he was abandoned at birth. Jobs' mother taught him how to read and write before he went to the elementary school. So when he went to school, he found out that he knew everything that the teachers were teaching. He got bored and played pranks to keep himself busy. This continued for the first few years. It was clear from his behavior that he could not accept other people's authority. He said, I encountered authority of a different kind that I have never encountered before, but I did not like it. A turning point came when he was in grade 4. His teacher Imogen Hill watched him very closely for some time and soon found out how to handle him and get things done by him. In order to get things done, she used to give him money and food. One day after school, she gave Jobs a workbook with math problems in it. She said, I want you to take it home and do this. She showed Jobs a huge lollipop and said, when you are done with it, if you get it mostly right, I will give you this and $5. Within 2 days, Jobs solved the math problem and returned the book to his teacher. This continued for a couple of months and Jobs enjoyed learning so much that he did not need any return. Also, he liked his teacher very much and wanted to please her. In Miss Hill's class, Jobs felt he was special. At the end of the 4th grade, Jobs did very well. It was clear not only to Jobs and his parents but also to the teachers that he was exceptionally intelligent. The school proposed that Jobs should skip 2 classes and got into the 7th grade. This would mean that Jobs would find the study challenging and he would be motivated to study. His parents had him skip only 1 grade. Dear students, this is the text that I have read. Now, take your khata and write down some difficult words that I mentioned. This is chosen. This is chosen. What I have written, chosen. Chosen means like. Next, special. Special means particular. Colleague is partner. Abandon পরিত্যক্ত, abandoned, detached. Behavior, manner. Adopted, taken. Encounter, encounter, to face, something. Encounter, to face something. Have you seen chosen? Means like, special, particular, colleagues, partner, abandoned, detached, behavior, manner, adopted, taken, encounter, to face something. My dear students, this is difficult one. You try. Next, I am giving some explanation. Have you got? Now we matching abandoned. Next page 108. Coming 108. Here is matching. Try to match adopted, abandoned, mischiefs. Abandoned, miss, CHIEFS. It will say the same way you match the adopted, mischiefs, abandoned, left alone, encounter, face, authority, power, pranks, means motivate, encourage. Motivate means encourage. Again matching adopted, legally took raised another child. Adopted, legally took and raised another child. Abandoned, left alone. Encounter, face, authority, power, pranks, mischief, motivate, encourage. This is missing. Now, some questions for home task. According to the text, you will write the answer. Number 1. Why didn't George enjoy school? What did he do to keep himself Dear students, here are 3 questions. Now write down the answers according to the passage. Okay, students. Thank you very much for taking my class. See you again with best wishes.